leaves. Good eye. It's already beautiful.
Not that way.
No, we don't go that way. Not that way. Very quickly, I'm sure.
Minecraft on it?
Oh yeah, could you make this in Minecraft? You did just beat the Ender Dragon.
I just beat the other dragon in Minecraft.
You see pink?
Oh my god.
He called me in and there was quite a, she's like, I beat it. I'm like, there's a, you can beat Minecraft? It's like I had no idea you could end it. Look up, look up.
Around the corner.
Listen, listen.
Some people think the world is just what you can touch and see, while others say that tales and legends cannot be ignored or dismissed. They believe with all their hearts that fairies and dragons truly do exist. Throughout time, dragons and fairies were separated and split, until that one special night you shall not soon forget. Tirnanog when Freya was born. Her parents called her Little Hummingbird and told her she was meant for greatness.
Sweet Freya, there's the snow.
Hello, my little hummingbird. They gave her a necklace to wear upon her neck, made from the embers of a phoenix.
Wow, how spectacular you look, my dear. It is simply made with the embers of the phoenix. May this necklace protect you and serve you in a time of darkness.
You are going to do great things, my one. One night, the great fires came and brought danger to all the land. Freya's parents never were kind, but Freya was saved and raised by her man. The great wizard Alasdair made new laws to protect both creatures, since turmoil was growing between each side. As Freya grew older and more curious, she found herself venturing beyond the borders to spend time with her dragon friend. This is where her story begins.
You're in, you're full dragon. And I'm done. No, not that way. This way. Never that way.
Whoever goes that way,
They will be lost.
Pay attention to where you're gonna fall into the
Beautiful. That's in light when you go right there on our big plant, our big travelers.
quiet so we can pop up and surprise her. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Surprise! There you are, Fiona. I've been looking all over for you. Oh, and I've brought you your favourite salmon cakes. Here you go. I brought one for me too. Now I'm sorry, I know I'm not normally this late, but me and Anne keeps catching me sneaking off. Oh. So, she's decided more and more for me to do lately. Freya, start the force. Freya, just the comforts. Being an orphan isn't easy. See me now, I don't think I'm right. We little Freya making a difference in the world. Where we came from, that way. So we should go that way, right? Yes. Makes sense? Yeah. All right, well, let's go. On an adventure!
Let's do it. What did you think of that? Oh yeah, she's darling. It was so cute. I got a tape of it. Like, yes.
Sure. So many friends.
Here she is.
Oh my goodness, you're fierce.
Oh no, look at these guys.
Listen, I don't want any trouble.
Trouble is our middle name.
Yeah, wait, no it's not.
Shut up! We don't tell anyone our names.
Oh, right. Oh, hello, my name is Archibald, and this is Sam. Oh, sorry.
We are protectors and guardians of this here spot. What?
It's my turn to give the ominous warning.
It's not.
It's here.
It's not.
It's two.
We did it last time.
Oh, but that was over a century ago. Oh, is he wearing a dress?
What's this now?
Let's go to the time.
I love rock.
All right. I fancy rock dance. All right, if it wants.
Here we go.
Very good attitude.
And I try.
Miss Pixie, there must have been some mistake.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, did I do that?
Yes, you did.
Something has gone awry.
I don't know about that, but something went wrong.
Oh, I don't think anything went wrong. See, I won.
What?
She's a cheating little devil, Pixie, she is.
There's an axe right here if you need it.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Have you got an extra
I need food. You there, little one. Pushing the other little one.
What did you say you were? You were what? They could be goblins too. You were right, they could have been.
I am very sad with Alice. I know, Alice.
Now make yourself known to me.
All right. Pushy little pixie.
I like to think of myself as pocket size.
I don't even. I don't have to listen to you.
Because of you say. That's a very long journey from here. But you could go all the way to... Oh. That's a lovely stone now. Oh, boy. How you doing back there, Pixie?
I'm splendid.
Good. That's good. For a moment there, I thought you may be afraid of me. Dragon Clan.
Afraid? Me? Not likely. I've just never been this close to so many dragons before. Oh, you know my friend Dina, the water dragon? She is such a good listener.
Water dragons are known for that. All dragons are different, of course. Some love to play games, some love to sleep. Some are dead and don't like to fly. You just gotta make sure you catch them on a good day. Some can be a bit moody from time to time.
It'll stick through, you tell me.
You're fine, Freya. These happen to be me clan. They know you're sent. As all of you. They'll protect you as long as you stay in their presence. But as soon as we leave the nest,
You're a handsome fella, aren't you?
oh,
Seems you know it too.
I couldn't believe it. This little pixie's not afraid of anything. Hey! Rock doesn't mind company, but he can be a bit cranky if you get too close. Although he doesn't seem to mind you a bit.
No, we're not going that way. It's far too dark to go that way.
Did you have to bring your entire fairy clan?
Jealous, are you? She likes me.
Oh, snap! You almost broke me branch.
Is that you, old wife? Nice to see you again.
I would extend a hand, but I'm not a bomb tray.
We're on our way to the castle of Tirnanog. We're wondering if we're on the right path.
Oh, the castle.
Aye.
You are most certainly going the wrong way.
No, please, sir, we really need your help.
My dear, I've been around the forest a long time, heard and seen many things. I cannot help but wonder why you are on this side of Tirnanog. Fairies are normally not welcome here, but I suppose you have a brilliant reason. Ah, the best way to the castle is that way. But do be careful, young lass, because the road ahead is a difficult one. Make sure you take good care of them.
I will.
Oh, thank you, sir.
I can get pretty savage sometimes. One more joke before you leave. Wait. Why did the tree need to take a nap?
We're not sure.
Forest!
Oh, that's so bad.
Let's be honest. Hey, dragon friend. I like you.
You guys are green. Here's the triangle. You're into that, huh? This is why dragons will take my hand. That's exactly why. You're looking around and stuff. I'm gonna be low-key sad when this is over. We haven't quite made it to the castle yet.
My,
Oh, fun.
did a preview or a post feature?
Huh?
That's probably the next show.
That's the next show, Jody. There's at 7:30.
Oh, I know. So I'm saying every 15 minutes I just have no going down or up.
Yeah, those are the trolls.
Oh, it's the trolls. Okay.
Yes. Here we go. Her dress is so pretty. I love your necklace. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Oh, it smells beautiful. Do you smell it? Oh, not quite yet. I don't know. I've never done this before.
Dauntless, look! A huge canyon to jump over! Oh, what's a dragon fairy? Oh, looks like it's time for a night flight! Won't you read the place? Oh.
I can't say that I do have flying and everything, you know. There has to be another way around.
You can fly.
Are you serious? You trying to say that you can't fly? Let me show you how. Come on, Dauntless. Quit dragging your feet. What?
Dragging your feet.
It's quite alright. I've been made fun of it for years. I don't need to change now. I think we should go back the other way. Shouldn't be that much longer to get around. Who's with me? Please.
We want to see you fly.
Dragon.
That's you. Fly. Tell him to fly. Choose to fly.
He's talking to you. Not.
Douglas! I've gotten too close to the canyon edge and I need saving! Help me! I'm gonna fall!
I got you! Whoa!
They're flying.
Oh, would you look at that?
Let's fly! Alright humans, are you ready to learn how to fly?
Yes!
Alright, lift your wings up to the sky.
Lift your wings up.
That's it! And down to the ground.
Follow me, look at the
Dumping down.
I'm out of here.
That's the basic technique.
It's the basics. All right, here we go. We're flying.
Ready to go?
We're flying. Oh, over the canyon. Around. We're going around. Can you go first?
Yes.
Can we have a walking break? My muscles are already tired. Don't have it.
You got the... That one could be the end. We're still flying, yes we are. So tempting. Oh, so tempting. Okay.
Oh, my dragon. He's my best friend here. Whoop. Oh, that's technique, son.
Do you hear that too, Dauntless?
Hey, did that sound good?
We meet again, Freya. Do you remember me? No. Well, then let me remind you.
Dauntless? You alright? Dauntless!
honestly, they're literally just wires with like LEDs on them.
The Phoenix? Yes, dear lass. I'm like a fairy godmother, except a little more fiery.
I don't know what to do. I can't believe we've lost everything and now Dauntless is gone. It's just not fair. All I wanted was to make everything better.
Lots of things in life. I thought death has been a big part of your life. But how people die remains in the memory of those who live on. You see, dear lass, there are many people in this world that have such a strong light that when they are gone, their light still shines bright. Now go to the castle and set things right. For only from the ashes of who we were can we rise up and become who we're meant to be.
showing her the rest of the way. Welcome, friends, welcome. All of you stand before me.
Oh, hello. You would not believe what all we had to endure to get here. We danced with trolls, we talked to a tree, we flew over a huge canyon, and we faced fire-breathing dragons.
Alasdair's here. I will be safe.
knew that it was time once again for fairies and dragons to be together. Seeing you, a fairy, and Dauntless, a dragon, working together to make it this far was all I needed. Now, where is that young dragon friend of yours? He must be around here somewhere. Didn't make it? Nonsense! Didn't he tell you? A dragon cannot possibly die by another dragon's flame. We wish for another chance to have a fresh beginning, a chance to patch over our mistakes and turn failure into giving. It does not take a brand new start. It only takes the deep desire to try with all your heart. To live a little better and to always be forgiving. To add a little light and color to this world in which we're living. Do not give up in despair and think that you are through. There is always a new tomorrow in this world awaiting you. On this day, let it be known that dragons and fairies will live together in peace and harmony once again. Now, my friends, go forth and have
Thank you, my friend.